I wish I could go to work on a boat.
Go stand behind him, honey. He could be in the movie. Hey, Jack.
Hang on to the boat. Here, take me to work.
Hey, Jack, look at Mommy. Maybe it's not a good idea to stand behind him because he's not looking at me. Hey, Jack, where are you going? Hey, Jack, where are you going? Are you going to crash? Oh, my goodness. Don't crash, honey. Are you on your boat? All done. Daddy, you're not going to help him? It's pretty high.
No. I made him do it by himself last time and he was able to do it. No, you can do it by yourself. Yes, you can.
It's all on video. Your child abuse.
That's not child abuse. That is teaching him self-confidence. Look. You grab the wheel and you put your feet on the platform. Okay, good. Turn around. Okay, you can jump now. You can jump. It's not high. It's not high.
Here's Mommy's going to help you. Okay, now we can jump. There we go.